Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu Jain and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing MPS 005 and this is electronics assignments. And before starting this question, I want to share something. We provide all type of solutions of any subject, any course. So if you need answers of any type of PDF, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is showing on your screen. Kindly drop a message on this number. We will give you the answer in a day. In this video, we are discussing question number C, which is to draw the symbols of following diodes: a Varactor diode, Schottky diode, PIN diode, tunnel diode. Explain the origin of negative resistance in Gunn diode with the help of appropriate EK diagram. What are the applications of Gunn diode? So in this one we have discussed question number C. I have prepared all type of answer of this PDF. So if you need answer of all the questions, so you can contact us. We will answer you in a day. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.